Maybe I have walked here before. I know this why. I've walked this why. I used to walk alone before I knew why. Feeling, so I tried to wah. I've told me why I don't want to fool wah. What? And even though it all went wah, I'll stand before the Lord and wah, with nothing on my tongue but Waluigi. Alright, we'll try it. We'll try it. Sakurai. Yeah. Owen does it pretty good. Clinton does really good too. Alright. Alright, we'll just, I don't want to start screaming, but we'll just...
Are you sure you don't want to put it down? I can flip this around so it's like that way.
I might look up Waluigi sings Hallelujah. I was like, I don't ever have to do this again. This is great. I'll get it though.
I wanted to do it. I was like, you want to do this? You're like, yeah.
Well, yeah, because then I was like, alright, we got it all done in one day. I'd gladly go out in that freaking get up again. It was funny. That old guy walking past. You gonna film me next? Puss in Boots is gonna make a comeback one day.
Is he really?
You're not recording, are you? You found a tracking cookie on your PC. Okay. You know what? You thought wrong. Shut up, Shrek. Let me try it off this one. This one looks like it actually could work as like a bass. All right. Just start recording and I'll try a practice.
It's already recorded.
You thought wrong. Alright, and Shrek. Sakurai, are you kidding me? I know you're having a seizure, but come on. I'm ready now. I'll show you exactly why I need to be. Dang it.
Talk a little louder.
Bit louder.
You sound like you're trying to like soften your voice.
I probably am indirectly. Sakurai, like that.
Yeah.
Sakurai, are you kidding me? I know you're having a seizure, but come on. I'm ready now. I'll show you exactly why I need to be here. I heard there was a secret wah. Did David wah? Then it pleased the wah. But you don't really care for music, do wah. It goes like this, the wah, the minor wah, the baffled, no wait, what? The baffled wah. It'll work.
I think you need to like still have like the musical sense on like the wahs, you know what I'm saying? Because it sounds like you kind of break out of the whole I don't know how to word it.
You mean like the wah?
Yeah, like you kind of like before you had like
you know what? I'm going too violent on it.
Yeah.
Shalom. Alright, I'm ready. Where'd the Shrek Hallelujah? This is gonna take frickin' forever to get done.
It won't be that bad.
Wah. What are you? Got a gas mask on, Jesse?
Yeah.
Keep you safe from the toxins?
I gotta like hide my face.
We'll just go until we get one that works. Sakurai? Are you kidding me? I know you're having a seizure, but come on. I'm ready now. I'll show you exactly why I need to be here. I heard there was a secret wah. Did David wah? Then it pleased the wah. But you don't really care for music, do wah. Wah tied you to a kitchen wah. Wah broke your wah and cut your wah. And from your lips she wah the Waluigi. Baby, I have wah here before. I know this wah. I've walked this wah. I used to wah alone before I knew wah. I've seen you wah on the marble wah. Love is not a victory wah. It's a cold and it's a broken. I don't know. That's the way the song is. That's because I don't know how the song is. I don't know. It's really long. Because I don't want to try to match it. I'd rather just try to make it natural.
Yeah.
Alright. Even though the music does help.
Probably start at the new stuff as opposed to the old stuff because you just nailed the old stuff.
This gets really weird really fast though. I'm not gonna lie.
It's alright.
It's alright, Griffin.
The marble wall.
We're gonna have you come in real early. We're just gonna have you do that take. Don't worry.
Yeah, we're gonna have you come into class early and set up for the MHS happenings.
Yeah. I hope this video never gets out.
It will. It's gonna get out before December because that's when the game comes up.
Alright, your faith. Your faith was why, but you needed why. You saw the why bathing on. Wait, is there someone there?
Oh, it's the cat.
You're scaring the crap out of me. I thought your mom was like looking in.
You wanna modify the lyrics?
No. It's really weird.
Because I did it the best I could.
I know you did, I know. It almost, I won't rush it, but it feels better when it's got the song in the background.
Yeah.
You got it really good that first time. Maybe it's because it was so short. Okay. I'll try with the song playing in the background again.
Alright.
Waluigi. What the heck?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find it. Come on, it's gotta work somehow. It's because it's so long. Like, the other one had something to go off of, but
Yeah.
you have like 50 Hallelujah searches in your bar. Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna try it again. Alright. Your faith was why, but you needed why. You saw why bathing on the why beauty and the moonlight overthrew why. And from your lips she why, the Waluigi. But now you never show it to me, do why. And remember when I moved to why, the holy why was moving why. And every breath we drew was Waluigi. There's a blaze of why in every why. It doesn't matter which you are. The holy or the broken Waluigi. I can start over at verse 5 if you want.
Yeah, you probably should.
You thought wrong. Trick. And it's not a wall, it's no, that 6 one's gotta start over again.
Yeah.
God, that is bad. I'm trying to base it off the song, it just doesn't work.
It's going pretty well for the most part.
Sure it is.
It's alright. Just keep going. Just keep trying.
I'll try again on verse 6. I can't do it without the music, but the music is more of a detriment than anything.
Yeah.
Because if I don't do it with the music, there's no bass, but if I do it with the music, it's not the right verse. God. Oh my God. I'm trying to listen to the thing. Gosh. Alright. I'm gonna try it again. Let me just try it. This is probably gonna not work. Maybe there's a wah above, but all I've ever learned from wah was how to watch somebody who outdrew wah. Waluigi.
Sounds a little off.
It does. I don't know how to fix it though.
You're like singing in a weird way.
Voice.
Yeah, you're not like as. Oh, you're not Waluigi anymore. You're just singing as yourself. It sounds like. That's what it is.
That's what it is. I'll just punch myself in the stomach
Well, you don't
and
have
make
like
it.
that. The wah. You gotta have.
Wah!
Yeah, like a Waluigi voice. You're breaking like too much out of character. It sounds like that's.
Oh God. Okay. Maybe there's a wah above, but all I've ever learned from wah was how to watch somebody who outdrew wah. Waluigi. Yeah, I don't know. I'll do one more.
Did you just finish the whole song?
Yeah, that was the end of it. It's extremely hard without the freaking music, but the
Yeah.
music messes it up.
Well, this is your open creativity, Griffin. You're not stealing directly from someone else. This is brand new content.
Oh my God. But if I did, well, really, what's it? No, that's off. That's off.
That's
God.
kind of distracting me.
No, you're not. You're not.
I'm just trying to get stuff.
Waluigi. It's always best to just try one of those. Yeah, one of those.
What are those?
You say I took the name in wah. I don't even know the wah. I did my wah and it wasn't wah. I couldn't feel so I tried to wah. I've told the wah I didn't come to fool wah. And even though it all went wah, I'll stand before. No, that one was bad. That got really bad. That sixth one was alright. That seventh one.
Yeah.
God, there's nothing to base it off of. Is the worst part.
Well, you can like copy the original song, can't you? Just like replace one word with wah.
I tried to do that, and I'm watching the Shrek one, and it doesn't do it.
Shrek.
Oh gosh.
Oh no. You're almost done though. Just think of it that way.
I know, I got the last. I don't even know if those other ones are usable.
They're fine, I'm sure. Unless the audio doesn't like work right. Maybe I'll email it to myself.
Yeah. Smile, Griffin. I did my wah, it wasn't wah. I couldn't feel, so I tried to wah. I've told the wah, I didn't come to fool wah. I'll stand before the Lord of Wah with nothing on my tongue but Waluigi. Waluigi. Eh?
It was alright. I mean,
You never hear that?
just do it 8 more times.
8 more times. Oh my god. That's the best way to do it. I'll do that 8th one. I'll do that 7th one a whole bunch more times. I did not wah, it wasn't wah. I couldn't feel, so I tried to wah. I've told the wah, I didn't come to fool wah. And even though it all went wah, I'll stand before the Lord of Wah with nothing on my tongue but Waluigi. Waluigi.
Yeah, cry. Well, actually, that's the last one. You should probably cry for that.
Oh, you want me to cry on that?
Yeah.
Alright, you know what? Was that take good enough, you think? Because I'll just copy and do that text.
Yeah, that's
Alright. I'll do one more and I'll cry on the end. Ngayon, talking donkeys. Shrek. You know what? You thought wrong. Here we go. Last one. I did my wah, it wasn't wah. And even though it all went wah, I'll stand before the Lord of Wah with nothing on my tongue but Waluigi. Waluigi. Why, Sakurai? The dog! Sakurai! What? Why?
the Dark Lord.
The Dark Lord! The Dark Lord is here! Reggie! Throw me a bone! It's not that you did a bad job or anything, it's just that it's impossible to do it.
Yeah.
It's like so weird. Alright. Okay. Shrek. You know what? You thought wrong. You say I took the name of Wah. I don't even know the Wah. But if I did, well really, what is it to Wah? Waluigi. I'll go.
It's already dark outside, Griffin.
Alright. We're done.